Welcome back to our RV interior upgrade project. We are 1/4 of the way finished with our MCD American Duo day-night roller shades installed. Today we are installing new Infinity luxury woven vinyl flooring in our project fifth wheel trailer. Then in upcoming episodes we will install new Rec Pro furniture. If you missed it in a previous episode, we prepped the floor for the new Infinity luxury woven vinyl flooring. Now we can install it.
You might remember when we installed new flooring in our motorhome. When it was time to select a new floor covering, we wanted something that was rated for commercial traffic and something that looks good too. We decided on Infinity luxury woven vinyl. In fact, we liked the product so much that we put it in our patio room at the beach, and today we're installing it in the fifth wheel kitchen and living room. Infinity luxury woven vinyl is an antimicrobial, soil and stain resistant, fade resistant, and easy to clean. It has a dense cushion backing you can see right here, and it is pet friendly, which is great for us. Infinity offers numerous collections of luxury woven vinyl products to choose from. We decided on the Seagrass number 8 because it highlights some of the RV's interior treatments and the new furniture we selected from Rec Pro. To cut the new flooring, we needed a good flat surface to work on, so we brought the old flooring home and did the work in our driveway. We used the original carpet as a template along with laminate floor underlayment for a template where there wasn't any carpet in the RV. Now we can lay the carpet and templates on the woven vinyl product and start making our cuts. You can lay pieces of wood under the fabric to make your cuts when using a razor knife. Always cut the product from the face side of the fabric and use a new razor blade or a sharp pair of scissors to make the cuts. Dull blades can damage the product or produce rough edges. Clean cuts look much better. I made my cuts slightly larger than the template so I can do any final trimming in the RV. I also used the old carpet from the steps as a template for the new flooring. This is the LWV product for the slide out, the kitchen, the living room, and the steps. I want to offer a few installation tips for those of you who decide to use luxury woven vinyl products in your project. It's important to note when you work with this product it must be rolled face out with the cushion in. Do not crease the fabric at all. The warranty is voided if the product is rolled improperly, creased, or if the product was cut, fitted, or installed. In the last episode we prepped the floor for the installation, so we will give the floor one final cleaning and start the installation. The LWV product has a vinyl backing and it must be installed using a solvent-free latex resin adhesive that works with vinyl. The adhesive should also be non-flammable and freeze-thaw stable. For additional security, luxury woven vinyl can also be stapled down to wooden surfaces, applying the staples along the edges. The adhesive in woven vinyl must be acclimated on site. The minimum temperature should be no less than 65 degrees Fahrenheit for 24 hours before, during, and after the installation. The product should be spread flat and laid open for up to 30 minutes before applying it to the floor. This method ensures best adhesive transfer. A 100% transfer of adhesive onto the foam backing must be obtained. When we installed the LWV product in our motorhome, we applied the adhesive on one half of the floor, and after the fabric was placed on that side, we did the opposite side. That method worked so well that we decided to do it again in the fifth wheel, starting with the slide out. We decided to install the flooring on the slide out first. This slide out is deeper than most modern day slide outs, and it's raised above the floor as opposed to a flush floor slide out. My plan is to start on the outside and work towards the front curved section of the slide out. We are using the same seagrass pattern for the slide out, but the folks at Infinity recommended a product with less backing to assist in forming it around the 90-degree bend in the slide out. The plan is to glue the flooring onto the 90-degree bend and also use staples on the bottom edge to secure it. Apply the adhesive directly to the floor using a trowel. The proper trowel notch will achieve 100% transfer of wet adhesive to the fabric. Recommended trowel specs are 1/8 by 1/8 by 1/8 V notch. Allow time for the adhesive to get tacky before placing the woven vinyl. This can take 10 to 15 minutes depending on circumstances. Do not allow the adhesive to dry or develop a skin. Working time is approximately 1 hour. You can't expect to work on an older RV and not run into any problems. When we were prepping the floor for the new flooring, there was a soft spot close to the slide out that resulted in this. We cut out the bad section and patched the flooring, but the most important step is to find out how the water got in and fix it too. You'll probably see those repairs on a future how-to episode on our YouTube channel, so stay tuned. Now you can apply adhesive to the opposite side of the slide-out floor. We also applied adhesive to the 90-degree bend on the front of the slide-out. Let it sit until it's tacky and roll the LWV product on top of the adhesive. We placed thin metal strips over the 90-degree bend to assist in securing the luxury woven vinyl until the adhesive dries. I secured it with a few staples that can easily be removed. Use scissors or a sharp razor knife to trim around the perimeter of the slide-out. Now it's time to install the luxury woven vinyl in the living room. We are doing it the same way as a slide-out, starting with the final cleaning. Next, we fold the product in half and spread the adhesive. When it gets tacky, fold the flooring over the adhesive and work any air bubbles to the sides. You can use a paint roller or similar tool to remove any air bubbles and to make sure the fabric makes good contact with the floor. Repeat this process on the opposite side. Trim around the perimeter of the flooring and cut the heat vents out. The only piece left to do is the steps. We used the old carpet from the steps as a template for the new flooring, so all we need to do is adhere it to the steps and trim the edges. You can clean up any wet adhesive with soapy water and a soft bristle brush. Blot the area dry with a clean towel and wash any other surfaces clean of the adhesive. Depending on how well the flooring was trimmed around all of the edges, it might be necessary to install some type of trim like this where the flooring meets the walls. This is a stick-on vinyl product that comes in a couple different sizes.
This do-it-yourself project turned out great, and we couldn't be happier with the Infinity Luxury Woven Vinyl Flooring. The manufacturer stated this product is impervious to gasoline, grease, and motor oil, so it should last a lifetime in the RV. To get more information on Infinity Luxury Woven Vinyl and to look at some of the collections and colors available, visit www.infinitylwv.com. Don't miss the finale of our 5-part RV interior upgrade project when we add brand new Rec Pro furniture to finish things off. And remember, when you want to learn more about using and maintaining your RV, visit rvonlinetraining.com. Happy camping!